Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to use the frame divider. So the frame divider is used to create the border on the canvas. As example, we have this canvas, and if you want to use frame divider, you can click this icon and then select on the canvas. Now it will be show for add frame dialog box. You can click. Okay, you can see we have the border in here. You can edit for the horizontal space at this option, vertical, and you also can set for the frame thickness. Okay, you can use these options, and for the border color, you can click at this column and you can set light into the blue color. Click outside to apply. After it, you can click these check icons to apply border into your canvas. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to use frame divider. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.